Silent and deadly, the Navy's Seawolf submarine is a naval monster. The Seawolf class is a nuclear-powered fast attack submarine in service with the United States Navy. This submarine is intended to combat the threat of advanced Soviet ballistic missile submarines such as the Typhoon class, and attack submarines such as the Akula class in a deep ocean environment. These submarines are larger, faster, and significantly quieter than previous Los Angeles-class submarines. They also carry more weapons and have twice as many torpedo tubes. The boats are able to carry up to 50 UGM-109 Tomahawk cruise missiles for attacking land and sea surface targets. The boats also have extensive equipment to allow shallow water operations. The class uses the more advanced ARCI modified BSY-2 combat system.